See if there's sparkles so that I can know if I blew up my rod or not. This is what happens when you don't listen to a rod knock. But unfortunately that may cause us to get a whole new piston. Alright, so I am going to start taking you guys through my week now, but I got a whole Sierra 450R 2006 running for... It was running good. I had to rebuild the whole carb and then change all the oil, rebuild the water pump, and I charged the guy like $225. Super reasonable. Other than that, good day. Ready to lock in. Gonna go change the oil on my bike, hopefully by Friday, because I'm gonna go see if there's sparkles so that I can know if I blew up my rod or not. And ACP on Saturday, Paula in 2 weeks. Locked in for the week. It's too nice. Alright, so we just got all the bikes loaded up. We're just going to be bringing my bike, and we're also going to be bringing Nate's bike just for this trip to ACP. Got the last of the T4 that I'm going to throw on the bike really quick. Finished up that bike. Oh, sorry, my camera's super dirty. It still is, but just finished up that bike right there. And now I got to throw in my active gear and then all my actual riding stuff. Strap up the gas can and have a good night's rest for tomorrow. Alright, so big goof. I actually spilled gas everywhere. Completely missed. I normally don't, but completely missed. This thing's completely empty. So until we get T4 again, we're gonna be running stock pump gas, which is too sad. End of a high compression era. What's up, vlog? Nate's out here ripping because I can't rip because I blew my bike up.
You're not supposed to blow your bike up.
I'm not supposed to blow my bike up. So
Rod knock turned into something nasty.
Yeah. Surprise! Dad, what did you say I can't do on Nate's bike?
You can't blow it up.
He said I can't blow up an 85.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
A torn rotator cuff causes arm movement to be painful, limited, or impossible, depending on the severity of the tear.
Alright, sorry the camera's so far away, but this is what happens when you don't listen to a rod knock. If you guys want to hear that going on inside my bike, that's up and down play. Seized beyond seas. And if you want to go ahead and take a look inside, there's a nick in the piston and my shim exploded inside the head. So we're gonna have to tear apart the bottom end and figure out what's going on. What's up, guys? In the car with my dad. My dad should look at the road, not the camera. We just went to go pick up my dream bike. See if you guys can guess it, because I'm not gonna tell you guys until I get home. But
Spoiler alert, it's a dirt bike.
It's clean. excited for this one because we're gonna have a sick bike to rip around on. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm super sorry for the terrible mess in my garage, but I just want to give you a run through of basically what I'm doing right now. Up until I go to Paula, I'm just gonna be working all weekend. So right here is the bike we picked up a few days ago. This is a YZ85. It's a 2001. The top end blew up, so the cylinder just needs a hone and a new top end kit. And then the shock was completely destroyed, so I went ahead and disassembled it. Shock is sitting there. Gonna go ahead and order a shock rebuild kit too. Right now, this is my YZ motor all right here. See the piston? I don't want to tip all that over. I might do it anyway though. Piston right here. Nothing too bad really. Just a couple of nicks in the bottom. But unfortunately that may cause us to get a whole new piston. And then whole bottom end is seized up. So it doesn't have up and down play for some reason now, but it was there before. And then we also have a crack in the piston on both sides, right at the base, right here. So it sucks, but if you don't listen to a rod knock, it's gonna happen. So yeah, we're just gonna be working all week, trying to get everything ready for Paula. I think currently what we're gonna be ripping is this bike right here. Unfortunately, it does have trail suspension, so it's gonna be pretty loose, pretty soft. And then Nate's gonna bring his 85. But yeah, overall ready for this coming little while. Should have a good time. Oh, and I almost completely forgot to mention, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my Tech 10s over to my brother-in-law, who is super good at artistry, painting. He loves design. I'm gonna bring it to him to paint and just see what he does with it. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. So.